Okay, hi YouTube! Well, everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look. It's a really simple brown neutral look. So let's get started. I've already filled in my eyebrows, done my lips, and put some face powder on. On my lips I have, let's see here, Hip, Shine, Shock, and Arresting. It looks like this. It's really pretty. I love that color. And I'm going to prime my eye with some chapstick. Again, you can use whatever you like. Smooth it out, make it even. And we're going to be using Milani's Runway Eyes, this one, in Beach Sand. It's really pretty. And Wet n Wild's Ultimate Expressions eyeshadow palette, the brown one in Sandcastle. I love this palette. There's a color in here, I'm not using it, but it's really similar to the Milani one. It's this color right here. I don't know if you can see that. This one. I don't know, it almost looks like a sugar cookie. It's like, I don't know, it's like brown, but like with little sugary looking sparkles in it. It's really, really beautiful. I really like it. Okay, so we're going to put our highlight color on, and we're going to be using this peachy color right here in the Wet n Wild palette. And put that under your brow bone. Get a nice layer on there. And then we're going to take a blending brush and we're going to dip it into the white right here. And you're going to put that at the very corner of your eye. It just makes you look really awake, like you're ready to start the day. We're just going to dab it right there. Don't go too far in or it'll look kind of silly. If you need a little more, go ahead and add it. But we're going to cover it up. If you add too much, you can cover it up, don't worry. So then we're going to take our Milani Sandcastle color, Beach Sand, whatever it is, and we're going to put that up to your highlight color. Then when you get that done, you're going to take your blending brush and just kind of wipe the white on your hand or whatever. And if you want to, if you're like really concerned about the color mixing, baby wipes. I love these things. They're great for just little touch-ups, or if you need to wipe the color off your brush real quick. Amazing, amazing. You're going to take your blending brush, well I do anyway, and dip it into the Milani color to help me blend. Blend it into your highlight color so it's nice and even. There's no harsh lines. It's really beautiful transition. And then we're going to take the same blending brush and dip it into this really dark color down here. Can you see that? It's a really dark one. Just tap it in there just really lightly until you get just a little bit of coverage. Like, I don't know if you can see it since the brush is dark. But then you're going to put it in your crease right here. Okay? So, you do that and you blend it in. Till it's nice and soft. You don't want a big dark brown line there. You just want it nice and soft for a little bit of depth. Okay, then we're going to take our green stick eyeliner from Prestige. It's called Lightning number 22, and it's waterproof automatic. If you don't have this and you have the hip teal eyeliner, that's a really good option too. Or if you just want to use black eyeliner, that's fine. Do whatever you want to do, but I think it looks really good. We're going to line our waterline. And then right underneath of it, your lash line. And then you're going to take your ring finger or your middle finger, either one works, and just kind of smudge it out. Make it a little bit softer. Okay? And then we're going to line the top. You can tight line if you want to. You don't have to, it doesn't really matter. But we're going to line our upper lash line. And get it as close to your lashes as you can. Just want to flick it out a little bit at the end, over in the corner for a little wing you can. Okay, then we're going to take our Define a Lash Volume Mascara and put our mascara on. I've already curled my lashes. That makes a big difference, so I recommend doing that. And I coat both sides of my upper lashes. It really helps give them a thicker appearance. So, I recommend doing that too. Here, hold on. Let's zoom in and see if you can see it a little better. Okay. Just kind of take it like this and set it on top of your lashes and roll it out, kind of like curl it up, like that. And you just go ahead and put it on the top like you normally do, or on the bottom rather, and wiggle it up until you have as many coats or the desired look you want. I don't even know if you could see that. I'm kind of far over, I'm sorry. Okay, we're going to do it again. Set it on the top like this, and kind of roll it out, like that. And then go ahead and do your bottom lashes. I like to put a lot of mascara on because I have itty bitty, almost non-existent eyelashes. And there you go, that's basically it. Oh, gosh. Okay, and what I use for my face powder, I use NYC Smooth Skin Pressed Face Powder. I really like this stuff. And I filled in my eyebrows with the Milani Brow Kit. And that's really it. I mean, it's really simple, it's really fast, and it's great for a date look or an interview look or just a really quick and easy look. Hope you liked it. Bye!